CRCL stock analysis and price predictions for Monday is Circle Internet Group stock of buy. I'll be breaking all of it down in this very brief short 1 minute video. Now, as the only guy in this page with an actual track record of 44,000 videos, I've seen what's working for me and what's not. Circle is an already freaking, yeah, it's a one of a kind, you know, because it all began by me buying with so much like limited amount of freaking candles.
Obviously,
it was so little data, and I was like, if there is a shift, I'm looking to take it up, and this absolutely cooked. You know, it delivered here, and then it freaking we reached 300 bucks. You know, on the way up I got like 3 longs, and then like 1 break even just recently. The only thing that I'm looking to do is I'm looking to hit those 300 level marks yet again. But that's a very bold statement, right? And it ultimately comes back down to, unless I see a full candle close above now 192, then there's just no way that I'm looking at this market from a bullish lens. And 168 is far from 192. Not that much, but still far away. And that's why I'm waiting. You know, I want to see that swing shift. And if it doesn't, well, I guess it is what it is. So let me know what is your opinion. And if you want to stay tuned and get my money making emails and insights for free, click the first link in the description. See you in the next one.